Why do many companies choose SolarParts? Because we do more than manufacture, even more deeply customized for you. SolarParts, focusing on solar energy technology R&D and product innovation, integrated production and sales. We fully understand that standard solutions cannot meet all needs thus. We offer flexible production lines plus professional customization, from component dimensions and power configurations to specialized scenario applications. Full one-on-one R&D collaboration. Ensure each photovoltaic panel precisely meets your project requirements. Independently developed, quality under control, flexible production, rapid response, full process service, one-stop delivery. Using professional photonic solutions, reduce costs and enhance efficiency for your business, empowering a green future. SolarParts, your trusted partner in solar power solutions.